When you're looking to clean your teeth in the morning, you're probably used to reaching for toothpaste, which has been marketed to prevent cavities, whiten your teeth, and freshen your breath. But these products have a lot of unnatural chemicals in them. Chemicals such as propylene glycol, fluoride, artificial sweeteners, triclosan, synthetic detergents, artificial coloring, and more. These chemicals have been shown to have a lot of side effects, which you do not want. So don't be deceived by the marketing you see on the packaging. A lot of times these products do not even do what they say and are overpriced as well. So instead of using these, use this. All you need is a few minutes and a few ingredients. The good thing is you probably have most of these ingredients at home. You're going to need a good quality sea salt, baking soda, bentonite clay, and optional, if you have turmeric and clove, go ahead and get that as well. I'll put a link down below for this particular clay that I'm using. And in just a few moments, I'll explain why these are wonderful to add to your recipe. If this is our first time meeting, hi, I'm Barbara, and I'm here to help you start living a more natural, self-sufficient life with traditional and practical skills that can be done no matter where you live. Go ahead and find a container. Anything will do. I do prefer glass, but you just want to make sure that it has a lid. For the clay, you want to measure out 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup. Bentonite clay is a great detoxifier because it draws out the impurities in your mouth and it also helps to remineralize your teeth. Next, we're going to add baking soda, which helps remove harmful bacteria and whiten your teeth. Now, if you have sensitive teeth, make sure that you don't add too much of this. I'm putting 2 teaspoons in the recipe, but you can also go ahead and just use 1 teaspoon if your teeth are sensitive. Next, grab that salt, which is going to help remove the plaque layer from teeth, and it treats gum disease and helps prevent and fight off any infections. For the salt, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon into the recipe. Next, we're going to add that clove powder. According to research, the active compounds in cloves have a variety of anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and analgesic elements that can effectively reduce inflammation caused by gum disease, toothaches, and other dental problems. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon to the mixture. Next, we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. You can also increase it to 1 teaspoon if you prefer. This will help prevent gum disease, gum pain, gum inflammation, and reduce the risk of cavities. And don't worry, it won't turn your teeth yellow. Give the ingredients a really good stir, or you could put on the lid and shake it up if you prefer. Once everything is all mixed up, it is ready to use. Using this is simple. Simply get your toothbrush, dip it in water, and then dip it into the powder. It is preferable to spit the mixture into a trash bin as opposed to down the sink just because of the clay. This natural DIY tooth powder is a safe and effective way to start cleaning your teeth. It's going to detoxify your gums, whiten your teeth, prevent cavities, fight infections, and gingivitis. And that's it, my friends. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you're trying this tooth powder, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.